Hey guys, welcome back to another Riff of the Week at Pass the Guitar Live, where we bring to you some of the most iconic riffs ever recorded. And in this video, we're going to cover one that was originally recorded on the bass, but because it's so good, we're going to learn it on the guitar. Under Pressure by Queen and David Bowie. If you're ready, let's waste no time. Zoom in. First of all, let's take a look at this tab and see what we have here. Well, as we can see, we're only playing notes on one string, and that's the 5th string. We're actually only playing 2 frets. We're actually playing it on the 5th fret most of the time and playing it open. Super sweet, nice, and then a guarantee that you are actually going to be playing this riff by the end of this lesson. So we are on the 5th string and on the 5th fret for most of the time, and or that same string open. And as you can tell here, we're going to play that 5th fret 6 times before we actually play this string open. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then play it open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we play it open. Those are the notes, the frets, and the strings that we're going to be playing. But we also need to attend to the rhythm to fully get that whole riff. So let's go back to the tabs here and then try to count this rhythm. I'm going to do it first so you understand and you get yourself acquainted with it so you can count along with me. I'm just going to play strings muted here and count the rhythm out loud. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. That's it. Now all we have to do is plug in the notes that we learned with the rhythm. And all we have to do here is remember that the open string is the last note of all of the notes that we have before we have to rest. So it's going to fall right when we say and after 3. All of the other notes, all the other hits are going to be the 5th string on the 5th fret. So 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. You notice that the and after 3, I played that 5th string open. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and 3 open, rest. The other thing we need to attend here is you see me using my 2nd finger. I do prefer to use my 2nd finger to play this note because I feel like it's more ergonomic, but you can use whatever you want, your pinky, your index, your 3rd. It really doesn't matter. But what I do recommend is that you pay attention to the way that I'm picking. I am not picking only down strokes here because those 16 notes are too short, and it will help me as I speed up if I use alternate picking. So I'm basically playing everything down with the exception of the 2nd 16 note. So it's down, 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 up, down, down. So when the 2 16 notes come in on the 2nd half of the 2nd beat, I'm doing down, up. Because that will help me speed up the process instead of doing down, down, which eventually can cause fatigue and exhaustion on my hand. So one more time, I'm doing down, 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 up, down, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's the and So it's down, up, and up. And that's it. That covers the riff. But let's go over and try to play this riff along with me. Here's the tabs. I'm going to count 4 beats and we're going to repeat this riff 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and a 3 and rest. 1 and 2 and a 3 and rest. Down, 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 up, down, down, rest. And there you have it. We just learned the riff from the song Under Pressure by Queen and David Bowie. Fantastic song, fantastic riff. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and you enjoyed the content we bring to you in this channel. And if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on that bell, and like this video because your support is extremely important for us. My name is David Cordero, and I'll see you on the next video.